Yo, what's up, team? Hope you all having a great time. Today is giveaway time. We had a giveaway on Instagram that was running for like 3 or 4 weeks, and we have 4,200 comments. Yesterday it was something around 3,800 or something like that. So but I had some problems to extract all these comments. So what I had to do is press this plus button until the bottom, to the bottom, so that I have all the comments, and then I was copying everything, and then after that I've put it inside of here, inside of this random name picker. But it was completely fucked up because you see this, even for the picture there will be a name and all that shit. So what I had to do is put it in my Word document. It is around 400, nearly 500 pages, and then I had to use a special tool to extract all the bullshit that we don't need, so that we only have names. We had a few people who were really consistently putting comments under this video for like 2 or 3 weeks in a row, and I want to make it fair for everybody. So what I will do now is I will use this document, put it in the random name picker, and then I will pick 11 names. And after that, after we have 11 different names from this random name picker, I will put it in the random wheel, in the random wheel of names, okay? And then we're gonna pick 3 winners out of these 11, okay? Alright, let's start. So let's pick a random name. Let's see who we got. Okay, Stop. He's the first one who gets on the wheel of names. This is number 1. Then we have Munteanu Rao 97. Okay, number 2. Let's get another one. Sophia Lutzi. I don't know who dropped the comment, but yeah, if you see this, drop me a message, show me your comment, or let your friend Sophia Lutzi win and split the bill, whatever. Okay, we got 3. Stephen Harley. Marco Marinelli. This was one of the most consistent commenters we got in this giveaway. He and his girlfriend, both of them were dropping comments for 2 or 3 weeks in a row. Sharvie Wilson. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Who else we got? Aesthetic KT. 7. Then we have Hamza Saleh. Bond 007. Hey. Okay, 3 more. Okay, Orihana. This is Marco Marinelli's girlfriend. So they're both on the wheel of names. Charlie Wilson we already have, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, I want to add 11 different names to make it fair for everybody. Marco Marinelli already on the list. Nostre. I've read his name a lot of times yesterday. Marco Marinelli. Third time. Fred James. It's a new name. How much we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, right? Yeah. Let's spin the wheel, guys. Let's see who gets the first $500. Ah, this is Euro. Fuck. But yeah, you're gonna win $500. Who is it? Nostre 555. This shit is nice, man. Thank you for your support, bro. Show me that it's your Instagram account. Drop me a message on Telegram, alright? You will find the link in the description below this video. Drop me a message in Telegram and let me know your PayPal email and I will send you the money straight. Let's get it. I think it's money plus the Genius Trading course, right? Yeah, I'll have to watch the giveaway again, but anyways, let's pick another winner. Number 1 is Nostra. Stephen Hart. This is for you, my man. You do the same thing. Drop me a message in Telegram, show me your Instagram account, and then drop me a message with your PayPal email. And then let's get it. Alright, now let's pick the last winner. Let's see who we got. Who can win this? Mr. Hamza Saleh 007. Man, congratulations and thank you for all your support. Thank you for all the comments. And I hope that you guys find this video fair. Alright. Yeah, let's see what the week got for us. I'm gonna focus on US 30 and gold, and let's see, maybe we get another good entry on USD CAD for this week. I got my eyes on it. We'll let you know in the Telegram group. Stay updated, guys. If you need help, drop me a message in Telegram and check out the Genius Trading Masterclass course. It's the best course in the world to get you on top of the Forex game, guys. Let's get it! Have a great day. Peace out. See you inside.